Many growers notice unusual leaf damage but are not always sure what is causing it. One possible explanation is phytotoxicity, which occurs when a plant is injured by a chemical treatment rather than by a disease or pest. Typical symptoms include leaf spots, dead or necrotic areas, scorched leaf margins, and burned leaf tips. In severe cases, leaves may turn yellow, wilt, dry out, or develop large areas of damaged tissue. These symptoms can easily be mistaken for fungal or bacterial diseases, insect damage, mite injury, or environmental stress. Chemical injury can occur when pesticides are applied at excessive rates, used too frequently, or sprayed under unsuitable conditions. It can also happen when chemicals drift from a treated field onto sensitive crops or when incompatible products are mixed together. Environmental conditions play an important role. High temperatures and high humidity can increase the sensitivity of plants to certain insecticides and fungicides, particularly products containing soaps, oils, or sulfur. On the other hand, cool and humid conditions may increase the risk of injury from some copper-based fungicides. Plants that are already under stress are also more vulnerable. Drought, insect feeding, disease, and other forms of biological stress can weaken plant tissues and make chemical injury more likely. Hot, humid, cloudy weather can be particularly problematic because moisture remains on the foliage for longer, increasing the risk of phytotoxic reactions with some products. To reduce the risk, pesticides should generally be applied during calm, dry, and relatively cool conditions. Whenever the product label allows, avoid spraying during very hot weather and pay close attention to the recommended temperature range. If severe insect or disease damage has already occurred, removing badly damaged plant parts or replanting may sometimes be more practical than applying additional chemicals. There is no universal treatment that can reverse pesticide-induced leaf burn. Once tissue has been severely damaged, it generally cannot return to normal. The most important step is to stop further exposure and prevent additional chemical stress. Always use pesticides strictly according to the product label, including the recommended concentration, application interval, and crop restrictions. Before combining products, check whether they are specifically approved for tank mixing and whether the combination is safe for the crop. If a new pesticide or mixture is being used, testing it on a small area first can help reveal potential sensitivity before treating the entire crop, provided this is consistent with the product label and local regulations. Also consider the condition of the plants before spraying. Avoid treating severely drought-stressed, heat-stressed, or otherwise weakened plants unless the product label specifically recommends doing so. When possible, choose integrated pest management methods that reduce the need for repeated chemical applications. The key symptoms to remember are large or irregular leaf spots, yellowing and wilting, scorched leaf margins, and burned or dried leaf tips. Correct product selection, accurate dosage, compatible mixtures, suitable weather conditions, and careful application are the best ways to prevent phytotoxicity. Follow the channel for more practical plant care information.